Hey Rakesh, good morning. How are you?
I am good, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thanks for asking. All right. So can you please quickly tell me about yourself, Rakesh?
Yes, sir. My name is Rakesh Devgal Bagel. I'm basically from Goondia district. I completed my BTech in 2019 from Amravati University. After that, I am work with one of the organization from past 3 years. In there, I am working on manual testing as well as the automation testing, and I have a good exposure on Java, Selenium, test engine, Maven. And apart from that, my role and responsibility is that I'm the I'm the responsible person for the manual testing as well as the automation testing. Uh, my job is to understanding the logical flow of application, understanding the requirement document, and with the requirement document, I can writing the manual test cases for that. And whatever test cases I return, I can writing a automation script for that. And after that, I can rerun that test cases and perform the regression testing. And after that, we run the test cases with the help of scheduler, just like a Jenkins. And after that, whatever the result I get, I can firstly analyze that result. And if there any bug is found, I can raise that bug into the project management tool, just like a Jira. And after that, we get a report from that side. I can share with my manager, and I am also attend the all Scrum meetings. So this is about.
Okay. All right. Uh, okay, fine. So, okay, fine. So can you please tell me, can you please tell me about your automation framework?
Yeah, currently we are using the data-driven framework with a page object model and a page factory design pattern. In there, we can use the data-driven for the assessing the Excel file, and we use the page object model. In the page object model, we can create a separate pages for the all web pages from the browser, and after in a page factory, we can we we can find the elements from which page to using the @find by method. And for the initialize that, we use the page factory init element command. After that, we use the Maven built-in tool. In there, we have different type of folders in there: src main, src test, and form.xml. In form.xml, uh, we can uh, we can store the all dependency that we record this like Selenium test ng, and for the Excel sheet Apache POI. And talking about the src main folder, in there we can create a different types of folder. In we firstly create a test based class. It is a parent class, so we can write all browser code in there. After that, we create a page folder. In there we can store all the web elements from the web page for the separate pages. And after that, we create a util folder. In util folder, um, there are different types of generic method we use, just like action class, drop down classes, and so on. And after that, there is a property file, and in that property file we can make a folder as a browser for the storing the browser URL, and properties for getting the data from there. And after in a source text file, we get we can write test cases using the test ng framework. uh, and after there is a one folder for the test output folder. In there we get a emailable report and all type of reports. And this is all about the framework.
Okay, great. All right. So which Java version you use for your automation?
Java version 11 we use.
Okay. All right. So, what are the access modifier do you have?
Access modifier is a private default, protected, and one is a default.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you please explain me what are the uses
Okay,
of this
sir.
access modifier?
Private modifier is used for the Okay, access modifier is used for the scope of the scope of the variable classes and method. If we use the private modifier, it is as a scope within a class only. After that, we use the default. In a default access modifier, we can access our variable methods within a class and outside the class, and it have a child and parent relationship. After that, we use sorry, default, yes. And after the and, and the private is used within a class only, and this is it. Yeah, this is it. Not recall. Hello.
Okay, all right. So great. Okay. Can you please tell me what is meant by the static keyword in Java?
Static keyword. Okay, static keyword is used in a Java. If we use the static keyword, we cannot create an object for to calling the static keyword. If and static and static keyword is depend on a object only. This is about static
Okay,
keyword.
so where the static block mainly used? So if we are using the static block, then what is the meaning of the static block?
Static block. Okay. Okay. Static. Okay, we can use a static block for the writing any type of code. We cannot want any object to call. Just,
Okay, okay. All right. So are you sure about this or you are not recalling?
I'm not recalling that.
No problem. Okay. Can you please tell me, uh, suppose if we are, so what is the main purpose of the static keyword in Java?
Main purpose is to call the methods. It,
Calling the methods only.
calling
Okay.
the methods without creating the object.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. No problem. Okay. So can you please tell me the hierarchy of the exceptions in Java?
Okay. Hierarchy of exception is the throwable is a parent class, parent interface of the uh, parent interface of the exception in there. Uh, Exception and error is a classes in a exception. There are checked and unchecked exception is there. And this is the
Okay.
hierarchy.
So what is meant by the checked and unchecked exception?
Check exception is a compile type exception, and uncheck exception is a runtime exception.
Okay. Do you have any example for it?
Just like for the compile time exception is the uh, not arithmetic is a
All right. No problem. So let me share my screen. I have one example for you. So I hope you can able to see my screen. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
yes, sir.
So can you please tell me what output we will get over here? This is program we have. So what output we will get over here?
Okay. Firstly, we get output. This is a static block, and after this is a main method statement.
Okay. 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 All right. All right. So I have another problem for you. So this is an program we have. What output we will get over here?
Okay. We get exception due to the parent exception.
Can you please explain me in detail?
Okay, in a try block, there is a s dot length, and in a catch block, exception e is the parent exception. Uh, as a rule of exception, parent exception is not in the top; it is in the bottom. So it will give the error. Sorry, error
Okay, okay, you will
compilation.
get error. Okay, all right. So I have one problem statement for you. So suppose my string name is equal to Rakesh. Okay, this is my program. We have Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh Baghele. This is my string we have. Okay, so what I want to do, I want the output like this. I want output like this. I want to find out the duplicate number of occurrence over here. Like you can see Rakesh R. How many repeating the R here? No, only single R we have.
Simple.
So R1. So A, small a. How many times A is occurred? Two times A is occurred. So you have to define two. How many times K is occurred? One time K is occurred. So you can see this is what I want the character occurrence over here. So can you please write down the Java code for me? So please share your screen and please write down the program for me. So let me stop my screen sharing and please. So I'm just sending the program in a meeting chat. So
Okay,
you
sir.
just share the screen and open the notepad.
It is visible, sir?
Yes, yes, it is visible. Once you're done with this thing, let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, are you done with this, Rakesh?
Yes.
Okay, can you please explain me this program?
Okay, firstly we write a string as a Rakesh Vajeve. After that we can convert it into the array format using it to array. After that we can iterate a loop integer I equal to 0. It is the position of because the array start from 0. In there we use the length for the for the all this length. And in there we have a length just like 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
14. So 14. This loop is iterate 14 times as an increment. If the condition is true, it will count as a 1. Just like R is occurrence only one time, so it will output as a 1. If the condition is not uh, condition is not true, then it will sorry, after the second loop it will 1 plus sorry, uh, okay, 0 plus 1 in a 0 plus 1 just like r match with r and a. In r and if the condition is true, it will add one value just like a is 2 times a and a is 2 times, so it will give as a output. In output it will give 2. So R equal to 1, A equal to 2 times, K equal to 1 time. This is the
Okay, all right. Okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is meant by the? Okay, so can you please tell me what is meant by the what we can say? Okay, what is the difference between string, string builder, and string buffer classes?
okay. String is a immutable class. For the mutable, we use okay. So firstly, string is a immutable class. It is a string. It is a class. Uh, and for the mutable the string, we use the string buffer and string builder class. There are the different pages methods for mutable the class. String buffer is synchronized, and string builder sorry, yeah, string builder is a synchronized and string buffer is a unsynchronized. It is a have a less speed, string builder, and string buffer has a high speed.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Okay, what are the wrappers classes we have in Java?
Okay, wrapper class. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
wra- wrapper class. Okay, wrapper class is just like an int, integer character. integer, all the primitive data types we have, and there have all wrapper class.
Okay, okay, all right. So what are the collections classes are you aware of?
Collection classes just like array list, linked list, map, hash map, hash table. There are the classes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, all right. So okay, fine. So can you please tell me what is meant by the Selenium WebDriver?
Okay, Selenium WebDriver is nothing but the open source tool. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver. I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to Selenium WebDriver.
Okay, all right. So can you please tell me what is meant by the? Okay, so can you please tell me what is meant by the? What is the difference? What is meant by the XPath in a
Okay,
Selenium WebDriver? Yeah.
XPath we use to find the locator from the web page. So element from the web page, we use the expert. Expert having a two types. First one is a relative expert, and second is the absolute expert. Absolute expert is starting from the starting node of the DOM structure, and relative expert is within a middle of the DOM structure. Relative expert is start with a double forward slash, and it have contain a attribute and value, and absolute expert is starting with a single forward slash, and we generally use the relative expert.
Okay. So can you please open the Flipkart website? Okay. Just open the Flipkart website. Okay. So what we have to do now, can you please mouse over on the Rakesh?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see we will get this list of web element. So can you please find out the common export for this all web elements so we can able to fetch?
Okay, sir.
Done.
No, sir, I'm not getting the
Okay, no problem. Okay, let me move it. Okay. Can you please tell me how we can handle the nested iframe?
nested item. Mm, Nested. Okay, we handle item by private assist command.
Okay,
Private. Yeah.
no problem. Okay. So can you please tell me how we can handle the, so what are the weights do we have?
We have generally two weights, implicit weight and explicit weight. In explicit weight, uh, we can wait for the all web element is present in our script, and for the explicit weight, we can wait for the specific element is present in a web script. So we web element. Sorry, wait.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay, fine. So can you please write down the syntax of the explicit weight?
Yes.
Have a note. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So I'm talking about the explicit weight. How, what, can you please write down the syntax for an explicit weight?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Done. Okay.
yes.
All right. Can you please tell me? Okay. So can you please tell me how we can able what is mean by the alert in a Selenium WebDriver and how we can able to handle the alert in Selenium WebDriver?
Okay, we can okay, alert. Uh, uh, in a web page, we get any type of alert, so we handle that alert. Without handling alert, we cannot performing the action in there. We can handling alert by the alert class. and in there we use the alert dot driver dot switch to dot alert, and alert have a different type of methods, just like accepted, dismiss, get text, and send keys.
Can you please write down the syntax for how to handle the alert?
Okay, sir. This is another accepted, dismiss, get text, and send it. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So what is the build life cycle of the Maven?
Okay, build life cycle is a of Maven is a clean, compile, test, package, and install. In a clean, it is clean the artifact of already present. After that, in a compile, it will use to compile the source classes in there. After that, it test to get execute all the tests, that compile the code of the test. After that, in a package, it converted into jar and war files, and after that in install, it will install all the packages in a resource.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Uh, okay. So can you please tell me what is meant by the group ID and artifact ID in a pom.xml file?
Okay, artifact id is represent the artifact. Actually, I'm not recalling about the artifact
No
id.
problem. No problem. Okay. So let me move to the test engine. So if you want to run the single test case multiple times, like suppose I want to run the single test case 100 times. So how we can run these things?
By using the invocation count, we can run multiple times
Okay.
or test cases.
Okay. So what is maybe the verbose in test engine?
Verbose is used for the we get a in command prompt we have a all logs, so we use the verbose.
Mm-hmm.
We have a detailed log for the our execution, so we use the verbose. It use 2 to 10 as a value.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is maybe the priority in test engine?
Priorities, we it gives to sequence of the execution. Uh, if we give a priority as 0, so it is execute first, and if we give priority as a 1, it will after 0.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So suppose can we able to set the priority in a single character?
Single character, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the default priority basically?
Default priority is just 0.
Okay. Can we define the priority in a negative?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. Okay, fine. So how you handle the test data in your automation framework?
By using the Excel file.
By using the Excel file.
Yes.
So how basically you handle? Can you please elaborate?
Uh, Actually, we use the at the data provider. In there, we use the parameters for, and you use the dependency, just like the Apache POI double O XML, POI dependency, and POI double O XML schema. That's what we use.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is maybe the listeners in test engine and what are the listeners you use in your automation framework?
Okay, so, listener is used for the changing the behavior of the default test engine framework. We have a different type of listener. I test listener, I annotation, I annotation transformer listener, I test listener, uh, and after that listener, and I shoot listener.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Uh, okay. So can you please tell me what are the how we can run the failed test case with the help of the automation?
Okay, okay. Generally, we have one folder, output source folder. In there, we get failed test cases. So we can run to run that XML file. And second approach, is, we can use the I retry analyzer listener for the execution that failed case cases. In there, we use the retry inbuilt method, so we can run the failed test cases.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is meant by the stateless in a REST architecture?
Stateless in a REST architecture is when the client and a server communicated with each other and get a request from each other by the HTTP protocol. And in there, it is not preserve the history. So we call as a REST is stateless.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So if you are hitting any request, if you are hitting any API request, what kind of prerequisite we need to require?
Uh, Prerequisite.
Like what we have to pass in a header prerequisite, what we have to,
Okay. Uh, okay.
no,
No, sir. I'm not.
no problem. Okay. All right. So what is meant by the 503 status code?
503 status code is stand for server is not available.
Okay. Okay. All right. So how we can initialize the empty Git repository?
Uh, yes, we using the git init command.
Okay. So how are you solving the merge conflict?
Okay, merge conflict. Actually, when the two tester is performing the same, performing on the same functionality, when the conflict is occur, the same code is happen within a line. So, firstly, we can analyze that code and give the review on that, and after that the code is right, so we can write that write and code, and after that we can uh, uh, pull and commit that, and there we resolve the merge conflict.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So what is the cron expression in Jenkins?
uh, Crown expression is used for the triggering the jobs. It is a 5-star expression. Each star represent the execution, just like first star is represent for the time, just like 0 to 59 seconds. Second star represent the 0 to 59 the, minutes, and third is used for the months, just like 1 to 30 days, and fourth one is for the sorry third one is for the hour, 0 to 59 minutes, and uh, fourth one is for the days, and fifth one for the sorry years. I'm not recalling, but this type of
No
expression.
problem. Okay. All right, Rakesh, I think I'm pretty much good from my side. So, do you have any questions for me? Let me stop the recording.
Yes.